Hi everyone, it's Peckish Lulu here, and today I'm here to show you how to cook a crispy pork red curry. Now, crispy pork belly is one of our favorite things to cook at home, and red curry is one of our favorite Thai curries. So we combine the two to create some mouth-watering food magic, featuring pieces of perfectly roasted crispy pork belly cooked in a Thai red curry base. This dish definitely has that wow factor that's perfect for impressing guests. So if you want to know how to make this unique red curry, then keep watching and let's get cooking. So now we're all done with our crispy pork red curry. It's totally calling my name. I have to dig in. And I'm just serving it with some coconut rice. Ooh, moment of truth. That skin is so crunchy. Can you hear it? So you've got the beautiful crispy crackling on top, and then the pork underneath is nice and tender and cooked into that spicy but also slightly sweet red curry sauce. The texture of this dish is just out of this world. I'm gonna hurry up and finish this piece, and I'm probably gonna have another one. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you had fun learning how to make this crispy pork red curry. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more exciting recipes like this, and please check out my blog peckishlulu.com and follow me on my socials on Instagram and Facebook as well. And if you have a crack at this dish, please tag me. I would love to see it, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Stay peckish!